Blessed day everyone. I am Shikanami Linjuluvetti and now I will be going to present the effects of agroforestry practices on the soil properties of Arubug watershed, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. So the introduction is the Barubug is a small watershed that is jointly managed by the Provincial LGU of Nueva Vizcaya through the Environment and Natural Resources Office, which is the INRO, and the Barubug Watershed Occupants Association, BWOA. It supports the Provincial Waterworks System of Nueva Vizcaya, which supplies water to the municipalities of Solano and Bayumbong and provide irrigation water to 6 barangays of these two municipalities. Based on the report of Agbayani and Johnson in 2003, the system of management of the watershed can be considered as a success story as proof of the excellent efforts toward conservation and management of the watershed. BWOA, together with the local government, was awarded with the Galing Pook Award, being one of the 10 outstanding programs in the country. So the methodology, the study was conducted in the area of the Barubug watershed, co-managed by ENRO and BWOA. Figure 1. In the assessment of the soil condition in the dominant agroforestry practices, the farms representing each of the dominant practices were evaluated. Field visits and actual measurements were conducted in each farm to determine the rate of erosion. The relationship of rainfall with the rate of soil erosion was evaluated using the rainfall data from NVSU, NVPG Pag-asa Agromet, synoptic station, and the measured soil erosion data in the farms. Field activity soil collection was conducted from selected sites in the area. Soil samples were taken before and after the conduct of the study. The composite samples that were gathered were brought to laboratory for analysis. And now we have the results and discussions. The study was conducted from January to August 2012. Barubug watershed was sufficient water from the rainfall received during the period of the study. This is very favorable to the farmers because it does not limit them in the choice of species for planting. With lots of water available to water the farms, there is an assurance for survival and growth of crops. Rainfall recorded during the period of January to August 2012 from the NVSU and NVPJ Pag-asa Agromet synoptic station is shown in Figure 2. The total rainfall recorded in the study period was 1,290.50 mm. The lowest rainfall of 36.40 mm occurred last January 2012, while the highest rainfall occurred 385.00 mm in July 2012.